Hello everyone, my name is Dikshita. I am studying in third year BE 5th SEM at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today my subject is Computer Networks and my topic is Project Management Lifecycle. Now let us discuss the abstract of this topic. Building information modeling has spread worldwide not only as a digital construction tools but as a management method, and it's expected to play an essential role in the project management. Before further exploring the contribution of IBM capabilities to project management, it is necessary to understand the integration of IBM and project management throughout the project lifecycle. The paper aims to comprehensively understand the research status by reviewing the integration of IBM and project management in the construction project lifecycle. The analysis result shows that although the number of articles in this field has increased rapidly in the past 11 years, their relationships with the project life cycle is still relatively weak. To this end, IBM capabilities framework is exposed by summarizing the IBM capabilities for project management in the project life cycle. This study will facilitate constructions, project teams, and stakeholders to continuously integrate the IBM with project management throughout the project lifecycle, thereby improving the project management efficiency in the construction projects. Now, let us discuss the introduction. A project is a temporary endeavor with an indefinite beginning and the end to create a unique product, service, or a result. A project lifecycle is a series of the phrase that a project passes through from its start to its completion. Both the project management institution in the United States and the Associated for the Project Management in the United Kingdom provides the general project life cycle divided into the four phases. Although specific names may vary, they generally revolve around starting, preparing, carrying out, and ending. These are the four phases of the project life cycle. IBM as a management method must be applied continuously in a project to realize its entire potential due to its insurance in achieving information management throughout the building life cycle. It can integrate building data and information and share it throughout the whole life cycle so that the project stakeholders can currently and quickly understand and process various pieces of building information. However, the project life cycle differs from the building life cycle, which includes six stages. They are raw material extraction, manufacturing, construction, operation and maintenance, demolition, and corresponding author. Let us discuss the methodology of an project management life cycle. This study performed a synthetic literature review integrating an articles containing IBM and project management in the project lifecycle using the preferred reports items for systematic reviews and meta-analysis method. The review process was divided into four stages, namely the identification. There are the four stages of an identification phrases are identification phrase, screening phrase, eligibility phrase, and included phrase. The identification phrase started with an identifying the most relevant keyword to IBM and project management in the project lifecycle, containing IBM and project management and at least one of these world lifecycle, owners, stakeholders, and client. In this research, three search engineering's web of science Scorpions and Base were selected to expand a database coverages for unrelevant literature search. In addition, the type of the literature was limited to peer-reviewed journalism articles in English, which specifies research dates from Jan 2012 to December 2022. Table 1 shows the research string and search modes using three search engines. Finally, 95 articles were searched by a Web of the Science, 188 by Scorpions, and 105 by the Base, totally 388 total articles. Related articles. This is a diagram of a construction project life cycle, strategic definition, preparation, and brief, defining construction design. This is in stage 2, stage 3, particle coordination, stage 4, technical design, stage 6, manufacturing and construction, stage 6, handover, stage 7, use. Starting phrase and carry out in the phrase, ending phrase, preparing the it is a green line is a preparing phase, and project life. This is a total diagram of a project life cycle. Literature review. The co-occurring subject categories were analyzed by using the site space. It was found the most article in the field belongs to the engineering category. Surrounded by a large purple circle, there are 28 articles in the category, and the result shows that its centrally is 0.95, indicating a co-occurrence relationship with the most articles. The co-occurrence times was represented by different colored lines. The color of the lines from cold to warm line, like the purple to red bar on the top of the figure, indicates the change in the co-occurrence from 2012 to 2021. Therefore, a development trends of an article in the field can be investigated by analyzing this figure. Before 2015, articles in this field were initially classified into engineering, mathematics, construction, and building technologies, among which mathematics differ from computer science. This results in consisting with IBM being first recognized as a software technology applied to the construction industry. From 2016 to 2018, articles began to be classified into management, industries, business, and economics, representing the recognition of the materials potential of IBM. BIM. However, by observing the number of articles, it can be found that only one article is classified into computer science and two articles are classified in material science, involving the issues such as BIM, interoperability, and integration. The most important cluster of the subject categories is green and sustainable science with 10 articles. This is a diagram of a network of co-occurring subject categories. Result: an illustration of 71 final reviewed articles published between 2012 to 12 and 2022. In general, the number of articles published during the 11 years has increased considerably from one paper in 2002 to about 10 papers in recent years, with two searches experienced in 2014 and 2018. The total number of publications in the last 5 years was greater than 2.5 times that, uh, that of first 6 years, although there was a dip in 2019 and 2020, possibly due to the impact of the global pandemic. Geographically shows the number of publications by country. Although China and United Kingdom published the most articles with 15 and 11 respectively. The earliest publications began in 2013 and continued over the last 9 years. The next is Australia. In addition, the essential to note that nearly two-thirds of countries began to publish their first articles after the survey in 2018. This is a result of a number of publications. In 2012, it was less and increased in 2013. Still more, it has been increased in 2014, then decreased in 2015, then increased in 16, increased in 17, still more increased in 18, and decreased in 19, increased in 2022, increased in drastically increased in 2021, and decreased in 2022. Conclusion: this paper regards IBM and the management tool to integrate with project management and studied its application in the project lifecycle. RIBA stage 1 to 1 to 6 by adopting the PRISMA method to screen articles in the domain. The 71st selected articles were analyzed in both the bibliometric and content aspects. The former includes the publication tendency, the geographical distribution of publication, the academic journalism publications, and the co-occurrent subjects publications, the academic journalism publications, and the co-occurrent subject categories. The latter divided the articles into 5 categories issued involved in the IBM adoption, implementing of IBM in project specific BIM, capability, BIM, and management integration, and the impacts of BIM. Finally, the paper summarizes a frame of the BIM capabilities in project management in the project life cycle. The value of this paper lies in demonstrating the current status and classification of the research on integrating and BIM and project management in the project lifecycle and summarizing the framework of BIM capabilities for project management in the project lifecycle. It will facilitate the construction project stakeholders and the teams such as the owner, designers, contractors, and subcontractors to continuously integrate BIM with the project management or throughout the project lifecycle, thereby improving the project management efficiency in construction projects. This is a conclusion of this topic. Thank you.